Good day, everybody, welcome to today's video. If you came to this video, then obviously you're suffering the same problem. You're trying to change your fuel pump, but the retainer ring is slowing you down. You tried many different methods, and they've all seemed to be failing. And I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to show you an easy way, a real easy way, and that is just spend the money, buy the tool, maybe go to your local parts store, see if they have that tool rental, because it will save you a lot of time, a lot of frustration. No need to get the blood pressure up and have a heart attack. So as you just seen, you could use a strap wrench, numerous other methods to get this retention ring off, but it's a real pain. I just made it simple, bought the tool. I don't need to struggle. So what you need to do is align this tool up with the notches and then tighten down the bolts, as you can see clearly right there. Try to center the tool as best as you possibly can. So now I got the tool on there, fastened nice and tight. All right, let's see what happens. Well, there you have it. Putting the fuel retention ring back on was simple. And I'm telling you right now, you can struggle. You can use a bunch of different tools. You can fight. You can get the ring off and on without the tool. But it makes life much simpler if you just bought the tool, got it from a parts store, save yourself the headache. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the short video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.